Hello guys, welcome again. This is Mayank Pandey and you are watching Freaky Mayank, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a safe, secure and strong passwords for any kind of your digital account and how to remember them easily. So let's check it out. So guys, in this video I would be telling you about these points. So number 1 is common mistakes we do while creating a new password. Number 2, the parameters to make a strong password for any kind of digital account. Number 3, password creation and memorizing technique so that you can remember your passwords after generating them. Number 4, we will be checking the password strength so that no one can crack it or access it very easily. And at the last in the video, I will show you how you can calculate the approximate time that would be taken to crack your account password. In today's era, we are living in a digital world, and I hope you know it very well that how important is secure our passwords and to make them stronger. That is why bank and other corporates remind us continuously to never share your password or PIN codes to anyone, because your one mistake can cause you all the data loss or money loss. So further, I am going to start from our point number 1. What are the common mistakes we do while we create a new password for our accounts? Warning: all the websites shown in this video are just for demonstration and educational purpose. So never use them to either create a password or check your real passwords. Thank you. So guys, whenever we try to make our new password, we generally put our pet's name or put our date of birth or put our mobile number or put our name or anything which is very simple to us. But usually we don't have to put all these things into our password section, because they may guess your password and break into your accounts. So I suggest you to never ever try all these kind of passwords while you are creating a new account. Point number 2 is parameters to consider for a strong password. So here are some parameters you can see for generation of your password, and I think you may have seen some parameters like this one on different websites while you were creating a new password for them. The parameters are to include minimum 8 characters in the length of the password and contain 4 of the 3 of the following items, like to use uppercase letters, some lowercase letters, some numbers, some symbols. But as we know, we never paid attention to them. So now a question arises in our mind, then how to make a password if we don't know or we never used a technique to make a good password. So for that we will go to our next topic. So friends, we are heading towards the next point, that is the password creation and memorizing technique. So in this technique I am going to make a password and show you how to make a secured password for all kind of your digital accounts. So this password will be generated in 3 sections. The first part, that would be the caps and some small letters, the combination, and the second part, that will be the middle part of the password, and it will include some special character, and the third part, that would be the last part of the password, and this part will include some numbers. So now we will going to pick some random routine things that you did daily and they are unique to you, like planting flowers, singing your favorite song, the favorite food you love, any kind of things like that. So because I love music, so I'm going to prefer to pick a music like a random song from my playlist. This song is going to be the front part of my password, and literally I need to change this song into a abbreviative form so that I can get a combination of letters. So if I convert this, look what you made me do, into abbreviative form, like short form, so it would be LWYMMD. So here I got the 6 letter combination from this song, and I completed the first section of the password. Now for the second section, that is the middle part of our password, I am going to pick dollar and then M, then dollar. I know that M is not a special character, but I'm trying to make it and to feel like it's written as a SMS. And you also have to pick some characters and some combination like this one, so that you can remember that easily. And for the last part of our password, we will choose combination of 2 or 3 different kind of numbers. Like it should not be the adjacent one like 1 2 3, or they also should not be the repetitive like 1 1 or 2 2 or 2 or 3 3, something like that. So I'm going to pick like 1 3, and if I say our password, then it would be LWYMMD SMS 13. So whenever you need this password, you just have to remember your song. If you are enjoying this video, give a thumbs up, and if you love the content, please subscribe. So we have fulfilled all these minimum requirements of the password, and this thing is going to show us how strong is our password on the scale of 100. So currently you can see here the score is 0%, and we have to include all these numbers of characters, uppercase, lowercase, number, symbol, middle numbers or symbols, and requirements. So on that basis, here are some formulas as you can see here. So it will calculate our password strength. So now I'm going to type my password over here. That was look what you made me do, then dollar M dollar 1 3. So you can see here the number of characters, that's very cool. And here are some green text and some blue, means if you are just fulfilling the requirement, then it would be green, and if you are more than the requirement, it would be like this blue star. So if I see here, the score is 98%, so our password is 98% secure. So to make it 100% secure, I'm going to some tweak in the password letters. So I make it capital D. So now you can see here our password is 100% secure. But as I mentioned you earlier, never ever check your original or real passwords on such kind of sites. Okay, if you are making a password similar to this one, which have the characters like this, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 alphabets, 2 special characters and 2 numbers. So you have an idea, if you include all these, means 7 alphabets and 2 special characters and 2 numbers, you would be getting a score of 100%. So this site is only for the information, like you are going in the correct way to making your password. So now guys, we are going to test our password, that how much time would be taken to crack our password. For the cracking time calculation, I am visiting a site from Kaspersky, and they used to just check your passwords, like what is the strength, and they tell you the minimum cracking time of the passwords. So I'm going to type over here my password, and then we will check like how much time it would be taken to crack our password. Okay, so I'm just typing my last password. Look what you made me do, dollar M dollar. So you can see here, like this line is rising towards green, so it's more green, your password is more secure. We have tested that. 1 3. If you are looking at this very closely, you can see here, and and the site says your password will be brute forced with an average home computer in approximately 33 years, and in this time you can go to the moon and come back. Guys, I try to play the Call of Duty game. If you want to see my gameplay, you can just press the I button on the right corner and you will be redirected to that video. So congratulations guys, now you are safe on the internet, and I hope you enjoy this video and love the password creation and memorizing technique. But if you have still any doubts, please ask in the comment section below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. This is Mayank Pandey signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Stay home, stay safe.